everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and guess what? Today is Memorial Day Friday. That's right, the first day of this beautiful 3-day long weekend, and it's also opening night of Morey's Surfside Pier. As of 6 p.m. today, this pier is open, and Adventure Pier, that's the first day for both of those piers. Adventure Pier has a lot of great rides open here. Of course, look, everything is open at the moment, and of course, you know that Mariners Pier has been open for a few weekends now. Let me go ahead and give you guys a tour before we get started. Make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up, and it's loud up here, so make sure you put your speakers down just a little bit. But let's go ahead and get started. It is a beautiful, beautiful night. It almost looks like it has a new lighting package on because it is bright. A lot of different features and different colors as well. It's getting ready to go. Ready for it? Think you can handle it? We'll sit back and relax and enjoy it. You shoot 65 feet high into the Wildwood sky. Yes, I have that memorized because my beautiful wife over here used to run this ride. So get ready, it's gonna go. And look at the colors, right? Here's the rock and roll. As you know, if you're not going fast enough, you have to scream and then you can go faster. Here is the gift shop. We'll stop in there a little bit later. Now tonight there are some rides not open. The Doo-Wopper is not open, and the Zoom Flume, but let me tell you, it's chilly out because I'm wearing long pants and on the Zoom Flume tonight. Dante's looking angry. I feel like they repainted this, right? Let me in the comment section. I can't remember, but I feel like they repainted the background. And if you look, it looks like the moon is a skull. Do you see that? You can see atmosphere getting ready to go up. And yes, the Zoom Flume, once again, it's too cold. And right now they're testing the Doo-Wopper. Keep in mind that it rained earlier, so you know you got to test these things a bit. Here's the G&E. Oh my gosh, no one made it back! No, they're just, it's actually not open right now. Got one train going, another train in the station. So now we're going to make our way down the left-hand side of the pier, or the southern side of the pier. It's a little bit of a breeze tonight, so I'm assuming that's why there's not too many folks up here. See, there's the G&E being tested some more. Here is Atmosphere. They're letting people on right now. I didn't get my season pass yet, but I will be getting it, I have it, I just haven't actually got the card yet. And yeah, you're probably thinking the same thing that I'm thinking. Joey, you said there's a lot of rides open. Actually, I didn't realize that a decent amount of rides aren't open tonight. I don't know if it's a weather thing, I don't know if it's a staffing thing, but it seems like a lot of them aren't open right now. I know, kind of strange for an opening night. And here goes Atmosphere climbing up. Do you guys like this ride? Let me know in the comment section. I'm always terrified of it. You're only about halfway up right now. There's also different soundtracks. For those who don't know that, different sides sometimes have different sounds going with it. But here we go. In 3, 2, 1, and release. I was off a little bit right there, but here they come. Yeah, always gives me butterflies. You want to do it?
That was a no right away.
You won't do it? Come on. And here we go with the Runaway Tram. Probably one of my favorite coasters. I don't know why. It's a kid's coaster, but I absolutely love it. I kind of like this better than the Flitzer. But before we watch this, let's go inside the gift store to see if there's anything new. So here we go, guys. We're inside. Checking out this stuff. By the way, you can actually play Pac-Man. They also have another one on the other side, too. You, Me, and the Sea. It's kind of cool. Oh, I love the mugs. Which ones you guys like? Let me know. I don't see anything new for this year just yet. If you guys see anything, let me know in the comment section. I like these. These are really cool. And they're screen printed too. There's Donkey Kong. Oh, look at this. They got little dog toys. Oh my gosh. I love that. Do you guys like that or what? They get reusable bags now this year. The ocean is my boyfriend. That is funny. That is really funny. So that was the tour of the stores. Anything you like in there, let me know in the comments section. Let's continue on because here comes the runaway tram. There it goes.
Safety, smoking and vaping are not permitted on any Morey's Piers property.
There we go!
Thank you for helping to keep our parks clean and safe for all.
And for those asking about Balloon Race, it's not ready yet, but it's painted and they have a new lighting package on there. It's gonna look really cool once it's done. I think they're waiting for a couple parts and maybe in a few weeks it'll be open. So stay tuned for that. Here comes the tilt. I still love this ride. It's one of the originals and it's still great, right? Here's a runaway tram sign. And of course, a nod to the Flitzer. No lines at the moment if you want to come on over. You can see the balloon race here. They're still putting it together. Half of them on here, they're just waiting for a few parts, like I said before. A few parts and it'll be good to go. And can we talk about these new plush animals for this year? I love these. Seagulls with a French fry, actually particularly a curly fry in his mouth, and it says Morey's Piers. These things are absolutely amazing, and I'm probably gonna have to win one tonight. I'll have to win one for her, and maybe one for her too. Unless Mom wants one, I'll have to win. I don't, God, I'm with 3 girls. I'm gonna have to get 3 of them, aren't I? Yeah, that's gonna have to happen. It's gonna happen. So there you guys go. That was opening night here at Morey's Surfside Pier. Let me know, what is your favorite ride? I actually wanna know in the comment section. I love the Genie. I love it because that's where me and my wife fell in love. But anyway, let me know in the comment section, and I wanna thank you. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them I get to do fun videos like this. If you too want to support this channel, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, I'm Joe. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which is right over there. I'll see you later. Bye.